Like blood in the human body, oil is essential for an engine, providing lubrication, cooling, and cleaning to keep your engine running. Let's look at the flow of oil in an engine. This shows how engine oil circulates through pressure from the oil pump, lubricating rotating bearings, sliding pistons, and the camshaft as it turns. Engine oil has multiple functions: lubrication, cooling, cleaning, and sealing. So what are the benefits of using Kubota engine oil? Kubota engine oil ensures superior viscosity through minimal deterioration due to heat. Other engine oils may become thick and abrasive, thus shortening engine life. Kubota engine oil does a remarkable job of removing soot that causes engine wear by breaking the soot down and dispersing it. Kubota engine oil contains special additives that minimize parts abrasion. Kubota oil products are developed to ensure optimum performance and the longest possible engine life.